comes home.
But there's nothing here.
Yes, there is. An entire village. Hundreds of houses. All completely buried in ash.
It's never too early for a sitting with the court painter, Zuko. Make sure he gets your good side.
Wait. I need to ask you something. What do you remember about our great-grandfather's history?
Oh, Zuko, it's so strange how your mind works. Fire Lord Sozin began the war, of course. He spent his early years secretly preparing for it, but he was as patient as he was clever. He famously waited for the comet, later renamed Sozin's Comet, and used its power to launch his full-scale invasion of the world. In the end, he died a very old and successful man.
But how did he die?
Didn't you pay any attention in school, Zuko? He died peacefully, in his sleep. He was ancient.
What does it mean? The Fire Sages keep the secret history in the Dragonbone catacombs.